Welcome to another problem. This is an easy problem. The problem title is Product Sales Analysis 1. So in this problem, we are given a sales table over here, and the table has the following configuration. Column name and type is given as sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. All of them are in integer values. The sales ID year is a primary key combination of columns with unique values for the table. Product ID is the foreign key reference column to the product table. Each row of this table shows a sales on a product ID in a certain year. Note that the price is per unit. And the product table is given as with the column and type product ID, product name, and type is integer and varchar. Product ID is the primary column with the unique values of this table. So each row of this table indicates the product name of each product. Okay, we have the ID and the name on the product. So write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. So for all the sales on the sales table, we have to give the product name, year, price of the sales. Now, over here, the product name is coming from the product table. So, return the result table in any order. The result format is the following example. So, an example is given here. Example 1, sales table. So, it has sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. And the sales ID is 1 to 7. Product ID is given over here. And the year is 2008, 9, and 11. Quantity is given and also the price is given. The product table has product ID. If it's 100, it's a Nokia. Product 200 is an Apple. 300 is a Samsung is given. And the output, it looks like this. So product name, year, and price. Nokia, Apple, and then it's 2008, 9, and 11. And then each is 5,000, 5,000, and 9,000. So if we see this sales table over here, all of the content in the sales table are present. We are just adding a product name. So, and the explanation is also given here for sales ID 1. We can conclude that Nokia was sold for 5,000 in the year 2008. For sales ID 2, we can conclude that the Nokia was sold for 5,000 in the year 2009 and so on. So let's go ahead. This is a simple join problem. So we will just be using a simple left join and we will capture this one. So let's start writing. Select product name, year, and price. Price from sales table. So I'm going to write SLV sales. And we're going to do a left join. And the left join will be on the products table. So it's going to be PR reduced product. So the table name is given over here. And the sales is over here. So with this one, we're going to do a sale. So on sales dot product ID should be equals to product dot product ID, because this is the column we are using to match. And the order can be in any order. So we don't need to write the order, but we can also write order by product name as well. So, okay, let's try this one. Run. And sure enough, our solution was accepted. And let's try and submit it. And sure enough, our solutions beats like 46% over here. And let's look at some of other solutions. So sales, select product name, year, price from product, and inner join sales as product the dot product ID equals to s dot product ID, similar to our, but using an inner join here. And then over here is also using a left join. And this one is also using a left join. So Most of the solutions are similar to ours. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next section.